for nothing. Being a part of the Empire will make Earth better than it ever was.
And what if they resist?
That's why we're here. To keep them from resisting. To show them how wrong they are. How pointless it is. What will you have after 500 years?
I'll give you that. I still have
You want to die for this planet? Fine! What's 17 more years? You're doing this for nothing. Being a part of the Empire will make Earth better than it ever was. But they can be a part of something bigger. Or die.